Hello guys, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. In today's video I'll be showing you how to achieve this flyer using Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time guys, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is to create our workspace. Okay, so for this tutorial I'll be using 2000 by 2500 pixel. When you're done, you hit OK. Right, and if you take it to this blank page over here, so let's add a solid color by clicking on this little icon here, then select solid color, and let's paste this color code here. So this is the color code for the first color. Okay, so add a new layer and take this color here, which is this one, and use the brush tool by pressing B on your keyboard, and increase the size of the brush just like this, and just click twice and create a new layer. Change your foreground color to white, and you can reduce the size of the brush a little. So let's just click once. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to bring in our model image, okay, which is this one over here. So use the brush to and change this color to black, because we want to add a shadow to this model, like beneath the model. Go to this brush panel here and make the brush look like this. So create a new layer below this model image, okay, and use the opacity and flow a little, and let's start painting. No, looks too dark, my liking. So let's readjust this, and let's start painting. So use the brush tool and make this spot more darker, because that's the area of concentration of the chair. Okay, so bring this image and change the blending option to screen, and press Ctrl U on your keyboard for the hue and saturation option. Take down the saturation to 0 and click OK. Flip this like this. Press OK when you're done. So use your eraser tool to take off this excess part. Okay. And flip it like this, and so the next thing we need to do is to convert this into a smart object, and hold down Ctrl and click once. Come to this layer and add a layer mask to this. Press Ctrl I to invert the mask. So use a brush tool, change this to the normal way, and increase the opacity and also the flow. Bring down the size of the brush, and change this to white, and move once. Okay, and do the same over here. Let me see. Okay. Now this layer, let's duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J. Bring down this upper layer, bring down the size down a little. Okay. Sorry. Just delete that layer, create a new one, and use the brush tool. Change it to white. Okay. And let's paint twice. Okay. And this is perfect. The next thing we need to do is to bring in the social media icon. Okay. So let's add the motion blur to this icon here. If you feel like the motion blur is okay for you, just click OK. And what I did in this other icon is just similar thing. I added the motion blur to each of the icons. Okay, so you can also do the same. Let's add our text, which is stay connected. For this I use Monsterant font. stay connected. So the next thing we need to do is to stay organized by arranging every element of this design. So highlight all the icon and let's call it social icon. Okay, and this should be the model, and let's call this BG, which is background, and let's call this text. To bring down this model image with this icon image down. Okay. Let's add the glow effect to this text. Okay. Let's add a motion blur to this text. Let's make some color adjustment to the overall design. let's add this texture and also clarity, some clarity, also a little bit of vibrance and saturation. And let's see the before and after. So when you're done, you click OK. Take down the opacity to 85%. And here comes the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please do well to give it a like and turn on the bell icon so you won't miss any of my video. So that'll be all for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay creative, guys. Bye for now.